This biker got pulled over for riding on an emergency lane on highway. Luckily, this cop was super cool.
Jag tror jag vet vad det här handlar om.
Har du körkort med dig?
Ja, i väskan.
Får jag se det?
F för...
Ja, visst.
Yes.
Joink!
Om du ska komma lite fortare framåt trafiken så får du inte använda det här körkortet.
Jag visste det var dumt när jag gjorde det.
Ja.
Vackert väder, du vet.
Det är ju vackert väder.
Ja, man blir så sugen. Men jag förstår till 100%.
Ja. Du får inga böter.
Vad sa du?
Du får inga böter.
Tack så mycket.
Men håll dig...
Jag ska. Inget mer sånt där dumt.
Det låter bra.
Tack. Jag uppskattar det jättemycket. Ha det bra.
Ha en trevlig sommar nu på 2 jul.
Ja, det är samma.
What? Oh, sh**.
You're not going to be so lucky.
I'm sorry, officer. I'll quit. I'll quit. Holy sh**. Wheelies?
This biker almost got arrested for speeding. Cops thought that he was part of the group with whom they already have spoken.
Morning, morning.
Yes, we're gonna start arresting you the moment you keep on racing here, alright?
Yes, I apologize.
Yeah.
Yes.
Whether you go this way, the moment you play here, we're gonna start arresting you. We've spoken
That's-
nicely with you there. We're gonna
Okay.
start arresting you.
Yeah, that's understandable. I understand.
Go
Sure.
do your stuff wherever, but leave the bridge open, please. You see, you're
Okay.
coming back again. You thought we gone.
No, it's my first time here for the morning.
Alright.
Okay.
Or else we're gonna start arresting you one by one.
Okay, no problem. Thank you, na. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
This biker was riding with a group of bikers that were speeding, but he didn't push hard as they did, and cops couldn't catch others, so instead they went for the slow one.
Yeah, what's happening, bro?
What's the problem, man? Why y'all doing that?
Bro, you got the wrong one.
Man.
I'm telling you, you ain't got me doing no.
You ain't one of them?
I was riding, but I wouldn't.
No. You were there.
Yeah, I just said I was riding.
Y'all went past those kids. hot dog.
No, not me.
Right there with them.
I just said I was there, but I wasn't hot dogging nothing. Yeah, that's a fact.
Charlie, too, I'm gonna be out with.
Yeah, if I was hot dogging, I've been down there with them.
Out here on 2 Notch.
They ain't my style.
76 gas station across from the El Cheapo. You know those people?
Nah, I just met them at Wet Willis, bro.
Charlie, too.
Yeah, they did. But once again,
You ain't got no
I wasn't one of the ones.
Put your hands up for me. I'm gonna check you, make sure you got no weapons on.
I got electronics in this pocket. That's all I got.
Put a leg for me.
Oh.
Sucking on 27004.
Trust me. I'm too old for that. They do all that. I ain't got time. Look at my back tire. You don't see no spinning on that mother. Costs too much. I ain't got time for that.
I think maybe you thought that I wasn't gonna catch up with you. That car looks slow, but it ain't that slow.
Dude, you saw how slow I was going.
No, you was going slow after work.
Right.
Y'all was getting it though. You got everything on video. So I bet you gonna take them cameras from you. I see
You ain't gonna see nothing with me doing it. You'll see all them, but you still won't see me. Yeah.
That's stupid, man.
Hey, dude, I got you. That's why you ain't see me doing nothing.
Hey, sir. Go ahead, put your hands behind your back for me.
Oh, what about it?
Put your hands behind your back for me, sir. Don't get away from me.
Okay. Well, why you declaring always tough, bro?
Because I feel like it's up to me. It's for me, man. Not for you. I ain't going nowhere over here. Well, you going somewhere? Well, probably the jail. What's up? Depends on how I feel. I can't take a jail because you feeling like taking somebody to jail. I don't mind on video. I ain't did nothing. That's why I'm pulling up for you. That's fine. No, the video, you can show the video at court, all right? Just give me a second, all right? Alright, so look, man, this is about to happen, all right? I'm not gonna take you to jail, man. I ain't throwing the bike, baby. Why, bro? I already explained to you, man. What I'm telling you is, you got the wrong person like that. All fans like that. That wasn't me. I got it all on video. You can look at my video. It wasn't me. That's what I'm telling you. You got the wrong dude. If I was driving, I'd be way in. I'm more experienced where I didn't know you guys. Yeah. I mean, look at my tires. Look at them. They don't do that. Do you know how the tires look when somebody spin out? Yeah, that wasn't me. I'm gonna look at your video, okay? I pulled it up for you. I had it pulled up for you, but I had to go to the I'm gonna give you a chance to look at it. Turn around for me. Give me a chance. Alright. You finally spotted me. This that one right here. Okay, this one I'm talking about when y'all turned in. Yeah. This ain't me. I'm trying to tell you. Hey, split it out. Come on out. Come on out. My mistake, I just didn't let y'all bring me out and I didn't see your bike. I know, I got you. I ain't done with you, but I apologize, man. Alright? I'm gonna finish doing what I'm doing and I'm gonna let you know. You look legit, man, so I'm gonna let you slide on that one, man. Hey, the camera saved you tonight, man. Hey, alright? I got it. Alright, man, be safe out there, bro. Alright, you too, man. Oh, it's a stop line, sir. Oh, yeah, I need that. Yeah. Stay on the road. Have a good one. Alright, bro.
Hey, how's it going? Hey, how you doing?
What's that?
I said, how are you?
I'm fine. You have your ID on you?
Yeah, I got it.
A few reasons why I'm stopping you. So we had you called in, the four of you guys called in for speeding, for going excessively quick, leaving in and out of cars.
Right.
And then when I checked you, I only checked you at 75 and a 65.
Right.
But we checked you, I mean, we got 2 separate phone calls on you guys. Same descriptions both times.
Really? Because there was so many bikes. We just actually left a bike show.
Where at?
I'm not from here, but it's off of, I just know it was back from, it was at a Harley deal. We went there and checked the bike.
In Sandusky?
It wasn't far. It's maybe...
A few exits back?
Yeah, maybe about, not even like 5, 10X back. You know, we went there, but came down, grabbed something to eat.
Where are you guys going now?
We're actually headed back home now.
Okay. Why did you guys get off here?
I'm just following them.
Okay.
You know, I didn't even see you until you was like right here.
Yeah, I was trying to get to a good place where I could stop you guys. Unfortunately, everybody else left. You guys, do you have like radio intercoms in your?
I do, but I don't have it hooked up to the guy that we're actually following.
Okay, you don't have it hooked up to any of them?
No, I got the main guy's name.
Okay.
That's it.
You have your insurance for the bike?
Oh yeah.
How much alcohol did you have to drink
No,
today?
I don't know.
You didn't have anything? Okay.
It
That's
was
not alcohol coming from you?
No, not for me. Ever since I survived COVID, I just hadn't had a taste of alcohol. That was like maybe once or so ago. I just, every time I think I have all my stomach started turning, so.
Okay.
She kept insisting that I had been drinking when I don't drink anymore. Have you had anything to drink? I told her no. She asked me again. She didn't ask me. She stated, "You smell like it's alcohol coming off you. You just smell like alcohol." And I told her I don't drink. That's impossible. First, she had me sitting on the hood of her cruiser, but the sun was in my eyes, so I couldn't see her finger. So she set me on the back of the cruiser, and she's giving me a physical sobriety test right now of her finger, and I just can't think of. I just can't forget. As she's giving me the test, I'm just sitting there the whole time thinking about this would be a lot easier if I had been drinking. Haha. We came to the end of this episode. Make sure to like this video and also subscribe if you haven't yet. We read your comments, so make sure to comment down below if you want us to do more of these videos. New merch is added on our store, so feel free to check it out. See you in the next episode. Till then, ride safe.